What's up guys? Today we're going to be showing you how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's flip down windshield on this Polaris RZR Trail S. So let's get right to it. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and remove both of your windshield components out of the box. So we'll have the flip portion of the windshield and we'll also have our upper portion. Before we remove this protective film, it is very important that you test fit the windshield to the machine. Lay it down to ensure that it's going to fit the contours. Alright, so this portion of the windshield looks good. Now what we're going to do is just take the upper portion, lay it right here in this gap that we have, and ensure that it fits as well. Lay it up, make sure that it lines up good. Looks like that's going to fit good as well. So now we're good to go to remove our protective film from both sides of both of our components. Alright, so then what we're going to do is lay our flip windshield down just like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you have the curved portion on the upper portion of the windshield here facing straight up. Then we're going to go ahead and grab our bulb seal out of our kit. You're going to have a bunch of seals, but the seal that we're looking for right now is going to be the bulb. So we want to make sure that the bulb portion of the seal is going to lay up on the cage. So it should be like that. So what we need to do is make sure that we have it oriented correctly. So we know that this is the outside that's facing towards us right now. So we want to make sure that the bulb seal goes on the inside. So we're going to go ahead with your windshield oriented just like ours here. Start our bulb seal. So then once we get to this portion right here where our windshield is going to fold, we need to just go ahead and cut off some excess. I like to give myself just a little bit of room here. That way there's a little bit of a gap so you can flip it with ease. You're not having to try to work around your bulb seal ever. So yours should look just like this as of right now. So we're going to pick back up right here and run this bulb seal all the way around to this portion here. Then once we get right here, we'll go ahead and cut off our excess again. And we're going to take our last piece and run it from here all the way to right here, and then we'll cut off our excess. And then up here on the top, we're going to take our U-seal and go ahead and install it all the way across. Once we get to this point here, we'll just go ahead and cut off the excess. So it should look just like this. So next we're going to go ahead and grab our gasket and we're going to apply it right through here on the upper portion of our windshield. Then once we get to right here, we'll go ahead and cut off our excess. So next we're going to grab both of our brackets that are included in the hardware kit, as well as two of our spacers. We're going to come right here to this T40 Torx. Go ahead and remove it completely. Then what we'll do is slide our hardware through our bracket, take our spacer, then we're just going to go ahead and reinstall the hardware. And we'll do the same exact thing on this side. For the next step, we're going to grab our hardware here. We'll have our Allen-headed bolt. We'll go ahead and slide our sealing washers on, just like this. And then we're going to take the upper portion of the windshield here. So what we're going to do is take the hardware that we just put our sealing washer on, slide it through the hole like that, and we're going to grab our spacer that's included in the kit, slide it onto the threads of the bolt, take it, lay it up on the machine like that, and take our nylock nut, get it started on the back side. And we'll go over to the opposite side and repeat the same steps. Now we're just going to go ahead and fully tighten our hardware. For both sides. Then we're going to grab our D seal. We're going to apply it right across this upper lip of the windshield. Then once we get to this point right here, we'll just go ahead and cut off our excess. At this point, we're going to go ahead and grab the flip windshield, take it, lay it into position here, where it fits on the contours of the hood nicely. And we're going to take our heavy duty Velcro straps, and we're going to go ahead and get this strap through the cage. Slide our strap through, pull it tight. Just like that, and repeat the same steps for the opposite side. So this is the windshield in the full position, so flipped up. If you'd like to flip it down, so you just remove your strap, just like this, for both sides. And then you just take it, flip your windshield down, take your strap, run it through the bracket that we installed previously, and then just pull it down tight. Do the same thing over here. And there you have it. That's all there is to it to install SuperATV's flip down windshield on this Polaris RZR 1000 Trail S. For more information on this windshield or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call or check us out online. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.